I'm so sorry. Ooh! What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work.
Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun.
You know what else is sneaky? Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No.
I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog.
I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress fully. Bye bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hat is. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big pog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No. What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Hey! Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the Saturday stream. How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome. Hi, howdy, hello. Welcome. Today, it's a Saturday today. How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well. Hello, Crow, and hello, Fire Tiger. How we all doing? Welcome. Hi. We're gonna be, It's Saturday today. Unfortunately, both Stoops and Oxy are unavailable today. Because it's Oxy's birthday today, so they're celebrating Oxy's birthday. So first of all, if you haven't, I don't know how you could, but like, wish Oxy a happy birthday in the chat if you can. And I'll just probably like send them a picture. But today we are going to be playing Assassin's Creed 2 specifically. Now, disclaimer, right? First of all, I played Assassin's Creed 2 before. It's nothing new to me. Disclaimer number 2, this is in the middle of video gaming. So I've been playing Assassin's Creed 2 off stream myself. So we're kind of far in Assassin's Creed 2, I'm not going to lie. I don't know how far from the end there is, but like it's kind of far, I'm not going to lie. So if we're gonna be playing from a point where there's already like shitloads of story been happening, right? So if you don't know what's going on, if you don't know the story of Assassin's Creed 2, I can catch you up to it. It's relatively simple. I say that, but like, I'm not gonna fucking repeat any of the fucking like Italian names because it's set in Italy, and there's like a lot of Italian names. So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be like, I won't be like saying any names apart from Ezio Auditore de Firenze, because I just remember that. Literally, I'm doing this because I'm not going to lie, I genuinely don't know what the fuck to do. I genuinely don't know what to do today. It was between this or like crime scene cleaner, but I'm kind of like in a huge mood to play Assassin's Creed, so we're just gonna play it up. Who knows? Maybe when I finish Assassin's Creed 2, maybe I could do Brotherhood on stream. And then Revelations. I've never played Revelations, so I'll definitely like happily do like Revelations on stream. This would be like fucking great for Sleepy, because I know Sleepy loves Assassin's Creed, so this is gonna be phenomenal. So hi mate, how you doing? Hope you're doing good. We're about to finish the game in 10 minutes. I don't think so. We got like a few more targets left. Plus with this game, I kind of like I want to like do everything like side quest first. So yeah. Isn't the game super old? It's not. It's what was it? 2008? I want to say. Assassin's Creed 2 didn't release in 2008. Or did it? 2009. So that's what, like 16 years ago? It's nearly 16 years ago. It's more so 15 years ago, because it like I don't know maths. I don't do maths. Just here for the vibes. I'll probably figure it out based off context clues. You probably will. It's easy to like just yeah.
Merchants had better come all trade through the Aegean for now.
They're here to assassinate people. That's pretty much that. There you go. Yeah, so I'm literally just I'm just playing this game. This is pretty much like it's a stream in which you know, I'm playing the game. Just a big old casual thing. Just kind of chill vibe type of deal. We can I'm happy to talk, unless it's like relatively important sections and stuff. Shut up.
Why are they? No, you don't.
Shut up. Yeah, so that's what you do in the game. Ooh. Just. Buddy, this game is driving in America? Fucking yeah. Well, not this one specifically, because this is the so-called kind of remastered version where they upped the graphics for like newer consoles. It's not really that like. I think they just kind of made it look a little bit worse with the faces, but yeah. What's Jack's You watch Jacksepticeye? What? Yes. Okay. Does that mean this is cut off? I'm pretty sure that means this is cut off. No. Yes. Maybe? Oh. Watched Jacksepticeye play The Last of Us Part 2 without ever watching anyone play Part 1 first. That is an experience. So you never really had like the kind of the gamer experience of like you never had the gamer experience of like being sad because a very specific character died. Ow. Oh no, it doesn't cut off. Wait, what? Interesting. Hello, Muse. I'm here now. You are here now. Hi, Muse. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing, Muse? Hope you're doing well. It really was an experience. I was confused as to why everyone was mad. Oh, yeah. Yeah, then, yeah. Definitely an experience. Assassino! Assassino! Hello, Sleepy. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. I said this like... Wait, what the fuck? Is it? Yeah, okay, it's up here. How you doing, Sleepy? Hope you're doing well. Who are you? I meant how? Good question. I don't know who I am. You meant to know who you are. Couldn't be me. I really don't know who I am. But yes, hello. Hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing well. I'm vibing, I'm chilling. So watched him play God of War Ragnarok without watching any other God of War playthroughs. Oh. I mean, for like Ragnarok, you wouldn't really need like any of the other like older God of Wars. Maybe like obviously like the prequel to Ragnarok, but like even then it might be a little bit confusing with like why you're being chased by what's her face? I forgot her name. By the nature lady. I'm still open about. I'm gonna drive soon. Oh, okay. Well, welcome. Hope you have a safe drive home. But yeah, Sleepy, I'm just playing this game because I cannot be fucked. I'm doing this because I've just been playing this off stream, and I kind of just want to. I didn't have anything to do today, so I was like, fuck it. Freya, that's the one. Like, legit, the only thing you need to know about, like, God of War 1 is who Freya is, I think. And ultimately why she's chasing you. And why you have Mimir on your ass. I'm going back to playing AC2 on my Xbox 360, so I get that. Yeah, I just kind of like... The Ezio collection was, like, on sale, like, for really cheap, so I was like... I'll get it. And I had, like, a gift card, so I was like... I'll get it. So, like, I'll definitely be playing, like... I'll definitely be playing, like, 2 and Brotherhood off stream, but, like, maybe I'll do Revelations on stream, because I've never played Revelations. I think I've just seen, like, people play it, potentially, and that's it. Anyway, let's speak to Leonardo da Vinci?
Ezio! Dio mio! You're alive! Is it true? They say you killed the Doge.
I was trying to save him, Leonardo. But the truth matters little. I failed. And now I'm the most wanted man in Venezia.
Well, perhaps you're in luck. It's Carnevale in Venezia. This is the time when everybody goes without a face.
That's why I'm here. Do you have a mask I can wear?
Of course.
Guys, this is Leonardo da Vinci.
Grazie, amico mio. And I have something for you.
Oh, more of the Codex. Aha. This one's quite complex. It's a new design, my friend. A mechanism for your wrist, but not a blade. In fact, it seems to be a kind of armadillo.
Oh, gun.
But as small as a hummingbird.
I forgot that was in this game. I thought it was in Brotherhood. Like, there's a lot of things that I thought, like, it was in Brotherhood and not in 2. Like, I forgot, like, the double fucking wrist blades were in 2. But I guess that was, like, the main shtick of it. Learn how to use the pistol. Man. Yes, please. Pistol. You forget about the pistol because it's so freaking loud. Yeah, that's another thing. Big recommend playing it right after Brotherhood. I'm probably gonna I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna do this. Because like I said, I'm off for like 2 weeks in like a few days. So maybe when I come back, but then again it's gonna be like difficult to like, because I need to like play Brotherhood like. Maybe I'll just do Brotherhood on stream. Could be fun. I don't know. I thought we were just gonna shoot the sail. Oh, the sailors. Bro, you are. I love that these mannequins have very realistic human properties and very realistic emotions. And you don't question it. Don't worry about it, guy. Just shooting fireworks from my hand. Maybe that will be the next game that I play. Considering we just finished Oblivion, I might play like a few more Oblivion. Like, I think I've like... I need to think. I think I might have like one more stream. Because we're doing the stream tomorrow, that's for sure. No stream on Monday, unless I could stream on... No, I can't stream on Monday. Probably on Tuesday. Definitely not on Wednesday. We'll see. But this also requires me to finish this game.
You've done me good, brother.
Ma certo. But I'm sure your return was not just to play with new toys. Is it about this terrible new dodge they've installed? Marco Barbarigo. Then you'll want to speak with your friend Antonio. I've seen him quite a bit lately at mutual friends. I'd look for him there, in the Dorsoduro district, to the south. Ask for Sister Theodora.
Sister?
Well, in a way. Yes, sister. And Ezio, you can't be carrying weapons out there today.
Grazie, Leonardo. Now, about that mask.
Oh yeah, also I was going to say, since
Marco Barbarigo.
shut up, don't care. Since I've been playing this, I've already unlocked fucking Altair's armor. She can get it literally as early as now. Literally the last thing I did, like, the last session that I played, like, not on stream, which was yesterday. The last thing I did, like, literally yesterday was get Altair's armor, because I was on the last tomb. And I love collecting stuff before I even do the fucking main story. That's what I usually do when I replay. Yeah, it's just like, you can get it as quickly, like, what, as literally here. Sequence, I think this is 9? Could be wrong. I just jumped down somewhere? No. Lame. I love syncing the viewpoints and stuff before doing any missions. Yeah, it's just nice, isn't it? Ah! Boobs!
Antonio, we need to talk.
Ezio! Ezio Auditore!
Crazy. I didn't recognize him from, like, you know, the shit that he's wearing. He's wearing a mask. Shit, I don't know who he is. Brother, I think Ezio's clothes, the shit that he's wearing, is literally the most recognizable fucking thing about him. I don't even know his face.
The most talented man in all of Venezia.
Madonna. Ah, Sister Theodora. I never imagined you as a religious type.
It depends how you understand religion, my son. It's not just men's souls that call for soothing.
Come, join us, Ezio. Have a drink. Meet the ladies.
Murderer! Butcher! He sliced Lucia and stole her money!
So, Messer Ezio, let's see just how talented you are. After him!
Yeah, boobs.
Don't come any closer, or I will carve up another one.
Can you move out the way?
Kill again.
Oh, whoa, whoa, he just disappeared out of... What the fuck? Okay. 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 When I was planning to cosplay as FM Ezio, but planning the materials and stuff, brother, was... Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy.
You have our gratitude, Ezio.
Why is it wherever you go, trouble follows?
Antonio, I trust you know why I'm here.
I imagine to rid Venice of Marco Barbarigo. But really, Ezio, we did this once already.
And this new Templar Doge is a bigger culo than the last. Never mind that he never leaves the palazzo.
Yes, except for tonight. Marco wouldn't dare miss Carnevale.
How do you know this?
In fact, he's throwing the biggest party of them all. But getting in won't be so simple. You'll need a golden mask for entry. And before you think about forging one, keep in mind, each mask is numbered. Fortunately for you, I have an idea. Let's see if we can't win you a mask.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, I remember this now. Hello, Vesper, how you doing? Hope you're doing well.
What is it, my son? You want to ask me something?
I do. Forgive me, but why is it you wear a nun's habit if you aren't one?
Whoever said I wasn't? Indeed, I am married to the Lord.
And yet you are also a courtesan. You run a bordello.
So, I see no contradiction. How I choose to practice my faith, what I choose to do with my body, these are my choices to make. Like many young women, I was drawn to the church, but grew disillusioned by the believers of the city. Men hold God only as an idea in their heads, not in the depths of their hearts and bodies. Men must know how to love in order to reach salvation. My girls and I provide that to our congregation. No church would agree with me, I realized, so I created my own. It may not be traditional, but men's hearts grow firmer in my care.
Among other things, I'm sure.
Signori, signore! Come on, come on! The games of Carnevale are about to begin. Do you have the coraggio to compete for as grand a prize as this? This year, like every year, the Golden Mask will provide entry for one, e uno solo, to our most beloved Doge's personal ball. Who would not desire such an exceptional reward? Come, compete! Whoever proves themselves champion in each of 4 games today shall be the Doge's personal guest tonight.
You'd best get to it, Ezio.
There they go. Feeling a bit stressed, and my knee is still hurt, but I'm okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully, hopefully you can, you know, rest the knee and stuff.
Signori, signori! This may be the easiest challenge yet, or the hardest. A game of charisma and charm.
In 2009, crazy.
Welcome! Gentlemen, whether you win or lose, this will certainly be your favorite game of the day. Ladies? Here's how the game
Woman!
is played. All the ladies in the district have ribbons. Your job is to obtain them. Whoever has the most before my hourglass runs out is one step closer to winning the Golden Mask.
Am I pickpocketing them? Is that what it is?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm just pickpocketing them, okay.
Could I trouble you for a ribbon?
Come stai?
Have anything for me, belle mie? Mind if I join you?
Mind if I join you? Pickpockets fucking ribbons, bro.
You're all looking lovely this afternoon.
Excuse me. Sorry, ladies.
Come stai?
Have anything for me, belle mie? Mind if I join you?
Mind if I join you? Steals ribbon. Runs.
Hello, ladies.
There we go. I'm wrestling right now. My parents are out to a comedy show. Fair enough.
You have more ribbons than any man here. You've proved yourself a favorite of the ladies, and are now one step closer to the greatest prize of all time.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. $23K in the village chest.
Who's next? Step right up. Strive for the best.
What is this going to be?
Welcome, benvenuti. Are you ready to test yourselves with a game of speed and endurance? Many challenges lie in your path. The game is simple, but finishing it, near impossible. Start when you're ready. The first contestant to beat the course record is one step closer to the Golden Mask.
What is this? Beat the speed record set. Okay. Where am I going? Oh. Just running. Nope. I know that's probably not the way that you're meant to do, but whatever. Brother, please. Am I gonna make it, or is it gonna be like squeaky bum time? Oh, this will be squeaky bum time.
Another tapering.
The winner!
Holy shit.
Yourself the fastest and strongest in Venezia.
That was squeaky bum time. That was like 1 second left. No, it was like genuinely like about to fucking fail it. Holy. Did they not think you made that? Me too. Listen, me too. I was genuinely like fucking like locked in, hoping that. Yeah, dude. Okay, so what is this going to be?
Come on, come on.
Are we climbing? I think we're climbing.
Welcome. The rules of the game are simple.
Oh,
Outrun your
okay.
opponents, take the flag from the middle of the field and bring it back to your starting position to score. If the opposition holds the flag, you must knock them down to steal it. Be the first to capture the flag 3 times, and the Golden Mask may yet be yours.
Capture the flag. CTF, thank you. Oh, am I not allowed to kill? Ah! Leave me alone! Akira! Ah! Okay, let's not fall down this time, shall we? Be great. How am I meant to catch up to him? He's fucking faster than me, what? Crazy. Ezio. He... He got it? Bullshit. Can't see the stream, but I can hear the sighs during the capture the flag event. Yup.
We have a winner!
Yup.
You've protected your flag and captured the enemies. You've proven yourself a warrior without fear, an inch ever closer to victory.
We won. Have fun in the Golden Mask. I'll try my best. Drive safe.
Fine. Do you have what it takes to defeat your opponents? Who will last longest in the Benvenute lottatori. The game is simple. There's only one rule.
Pardon me.
Fight until you are the last man left standing. Will it be you or two?
Who's two?
Who will win the Golden Mask? Bring out the next contender. Who else could take away? We have another challenger. Are you what? Come back here.
Come on.
Looks like this one thinks himself some kind of campeon. Go on, Dante. Show him how sadly mistaken he is.
Is he gonna use a sword? Was this? Easy.
Nobody else to challenge our man in the ring? Do we have a winner?
Easy.
We have combatants.
With swords?
So
You-
that's how it's going to be, eh?
Little daggers, I should say. Not swords. Don't you know I'm the master of fucking disarming? Crazy.
Signora e signori, the games of
Get
come
fucked.
to a glorious conclusion. Come see our winner claim his golden mask. Our winner has proven himself the fleetest of foot, the strongest of champions, the wisest strategist, and clearly a favorite of the ladies. With 4 games won lealmente, the winner of the Golden Mask is... the winner of the Golden Mask is Dante Moro. Congratulations. We'll see you this evening.
Uh-huh. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay, not. Okay, I guess not. Huh. Interesting. I'm going to tell my dad about it. I didn't get it, guys.
I'm sorry, Ezio. We could not have known Silvio would cheat as he did.
You should have.
Sister,
You told us to let you know if we saw that rotting Gulo who stole the golden mask. He's on his way to the Doge's party.
I will go. I can catch him before he arrives and take back the mask.
How? By killing the poor Stronzo?
Yes. You know what's at stake.
No. If you kill him, they'll cancel the party. And Marco will retreat back into his palazzo. We'll have wasted our time again. Steal the mask instead. Quietly.
My girls can help. They're already on their way to the party, all along the route. They can help you distract him while you acquire the mask.
Va bene. I can do that.
Va bene. My father will hear about this. It's funny saying that, considering the reason why we're doing this in the first place is because Ezio's father got wrongfully killed. I say wrongfully. On purpose, but like... I didn't know that. No, it's fine. I made literally the same joke.
Looking for a good time? Know anyone looking for a good time? Ooh, what those muscles. That's so. Say, good time? Say, I'll bet you know how to treat a lady. Bella Giovanni.
I can help you fix your dress if you want.
It's been such a slow day. Online? Ciao, Bella. Could you help me fix my dress? Looking for a good time? Online? I couldn't possibly. What's he up to?
Get down, Stronzo!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you fucking see that? What the fuck was that? They just fucking spawned in! What the fuck? Holy, what the fuck? Fucking love Assassin's Creed. Like fucking 5 of them have spawned on top of me. Wait, hold on. That's ass in. Hell yeah. Hi Ryan, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, like, what the fuck? Oh, hold on. Yeah. They were like spawning. What the fuck? Crazy. The Ubisoft glitches. The Ubisoft glitches, yeah. What does abort memory do? Abort memory is basically just quit mission. So, to give a TLDR of what Assassin's Creed is, basically, we are playing as memories of, like, this one guy's ancestors. To, like, find out, like, secrets. And to find pretty much, like, the nuclear weapons of this game. So aborting memory is pretty much just quitting the mission.
Buonasera, signore.
Sometimes I wish I could abort my memories. Fucking same, to be honest.
You made it. Marco is on a boat, just offshore. He's set to make a speech in a few minutes. Use my girls until then. Move with them to stay out of sight.
Fucking same. Can I not hire girls?
Find him.
Ooh. Hello?
Agreed. Come. Spend an hour you'll never forget. Looking for a good time? Come on, ragazzo.
Signore e signori, I present to you the beloved Doge of Venezia. Benvenuti! Welcome, my friends, to the grandest social event of the season. At peace or at war, in times of prosperity or paucity, Venezia will always have Carnival!
He's not leaving the boat. We'll have to swim out there.
Hello?
Wouldn't try it. We'll be spotted right away.
Then I'll fight my way out there.
Tonight, we celebrate what makes us great. How bright our lights shine over the world.
That's it. Your pistola. The one you stopped the murder with. It's as loud as those explosions. Time it right, and you'll walk out of here unnoticed.
I like the way you think, sister.
There it goes. Oh.
No. It's too soon.
I thought there was no audio for a second. I was like, oh no.
We rarely are. Che la morte non sia crudele. Requiescat in pace.
Run!
Do not get far.
Ah! Brother. Brother! Oh my god, I'm being fucking bombarded. You know what? Fuck you all. I'm going swimming. You can't swim, so you ain't gonna do shit. There we go. We did it, guys. We did it. We escaped. Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Comment on what your favorite part was. Then I'll feature your comment on the next video. Oh, to be an enthusiastic fucking YouTuber that does this shit. Oh?
Spare a thought for others you might injure. Fresh cut leeches. Who requires bleeding? It's crazy. Whatever.
Can you, like, go? Please? Move around? Shoo?
Come, amici. I've fresh sheep's urine.
I guess not. Oh, I can just do. Hey. Hey, tell them that I'm innocent. Thank you. And just like that, we're innocent. Nothing happened. I did not shoot anyone.
Beautifully done! Che spettacolo! A true hero! You must be exhausted. Come, relax.
Ah, the savior of Venezia. What can I say? Perhaps it was wrong of me to doubt so readily. Now, we'll see where all the pieces fall.
Enough of that now. You've worked hard, my son. I feel your tired body in need of comfort and succor.
But I have such aches and pains, sister. I may need a great deal of comfort and succor.
Oh, that can be arranged. Girls.
Hell yeah, I was having a blast. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, you know what I did? No, those have a blast with 5 girls. Completed a DNA sequence for sure. Got that. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, hello.
Ezio, Ser Antonio wishes to speak with you.
Grazie for the message.
Listen, five girls. That's a kind of makes me wonder if they would ever make like a 5 girls burgers chain.
Some kind of Templar base, so there's gonna be all kinds of loot in there.
Because you have like 5 guys, which is like, you know, big burger place, but like 5 girls. Oh, hello. Oh, uh-huh. I guess we're going to that viewpoint. It's got a rhyme, 5 girls, something and something. 5 guys, burgers and fries, 5 girls. I've got a good one. It's not a like a restaurant per se. No, it's not. Never mind. It doesn't rhyme. No, actually, it still would work. Hold on. It's not going to be a restaurant. However, 5 girls, cuts and curls. It's a fucking what's it called? It's a hairdressing place. Hair salon, yeah, that's the one. Oh my fucking god, there's so much. Okay, well, looks like we're doing the viewpoints. Charcuterie place. Cheese and curls. Oh, I mean, if you, because let's be honest, who the fuck like calls like curly flies curls? Oh fucking. Give me your money.
Pezzo di merda. Davvero. Non have to scrub your feculent.
Because like you could make it like a fast food restaurant and like I said, like have it be like have it be like the curls being curly fries or whatever. But like I'm trying to think. You know, you just go to your, you know, girly pops and you're like, hey guys, you wanna go for 5 girls? They do some hella banging fucking haircuts. Ah!
Report any unattended damage to city property and be courteous to city workmen. Good citizens, in its wisdom, the minor council has approved the reopening of trading with the coastal cities of the Barbados. A new agreement has been signed with the bay to ensure your safety.
Okay, Ezio, now... Goodbye, Ezio. Bro broke every bone in his body. Bro broke. He just broke. Okay, let's be careful in here. There we go. Thinking about those 5 girls too much got distracted. was thinking too much about the 5 Himalayas. Okay, now how the fuck, where the fuck do I... Can I jump there? I can, okay, good. I'm 99% sure, like, someone tried to, like, see if that, like, the leap of faith fucking, like, is viable. 100% is not. Spoiler alert, by the way. I remember. I remember it vaguely. Give me money. Or whatever. Don't care. I've got money, man.
This week I'm almost giving my labor away.
I've traditional.
You.
As you will, perhaps another day. Truly, I am blessed this day.
Paintings. And new paintings? No. Treasure maps? Yeah. Yes, coin. Slay.
Come, friends. I've fresh got legion.
Pardon me.
Why do this? Please, I am no enemy.
Oh, a codex page.
Dai, bastardo! Mercy! What have I done?
Give me that fucking codex page. Oh, it's one of those again. Okay, we need to be careful. We need to be careful, guys. Man, I love video games. You know, this is like for, I don't know. I was gonna say this is a gamers only statement. It's not really, but
You need a lesson in basic survival skills. Part 1, you don't even take it now.
what I was going to say was, playing this game, and then like playing like Assassin's Creed Unity before, like not like straight before this, but like more recently than playing as obviously Assassin's Creed 2. God fucking damn the fucking the parkour in Unity is just so much better than this. Because like Assassin's Creed 2 feels too much like too clunky. I think I've like said this multiple times before. I'm just a big sucker for like the I'm a big sucker for like Unity because of how Unity's parkour was just like really fucking good. I make that. I can. Yeah, like Unity's parkour was like really fucking good, and then like going back to like Assassin's Creed 2 with like being spoiled from Unity is kinda clunky, especially since like you can't make sharp turns, and the free running kind of just like if you are running, there's genuinely no way of stopping you. Full stop. Good luck. You wanna make a sharp turn at this specific area? Good luck. You wanna drop down faster? Good luck. I mean, here's the thing. This, I mean, Assassin's Creed and Mirror's Edge specifically as well. Those games kind of like revolutionized how parkour games, I'd say, should be. Because like Mirror's Edge was like a really good like first person, and then like you have like a really good third person parkour one as well. However, yeah, they peaked with Unity, and then they just never. I've talked about this before. They've just never fucking like recreated the same kind of success. I say success. Unity didn't. Well, Unity wasn't successful, but like they could have just like. I wish they could have just stuck with the parkour system from Unity and had it like everywhere, because Syndicate didn't have it. They literally just did it for Unity, and that was it. And that's what genuinely makes me angry. They had such a perfect formula for like. Pardon me, gamers. I really appreciate it. They just really did it for like Unity, and then never did it again. And I know it's because like, oh yeah, because of how Unity fucking just flopped hard. But like, shut up. Just never fucking did it again. Just makes me sad. Unity wasn't successful with the horrible glitches they wanted. Yeah, exactly, yeah. And yeah, the parkour system was like genuinely really fucking good. Like I said, it was best of the series, and yet did they even bother to do it again? No. They in fact, like, what they did was they didn't want to fucking, like, do anything with Unity ever. So they just fucking, they just actually didn't do anything else. Ow. So we'll never experience it again? No. Because they're not going to try it again, especially with the fucking constant releases that they're doing now. Assassinate? Who the fuck am I assassinating? It's just sad. It's just... I just want, like, a really fluid fucking, like, parkour experience. Yeah, because, like I said, Syndicate doesn't have it. Origins doesn't have it. Odyssey doesn't have it. Valhalla doesn't have it. Shadows, from what I've seen, is the closest we've been. Like, actually the closest. I've seen, like, some parkour in that game, and I was like, huh. It's kind of... It's kind of, you know... It's kind of interesting. That one of the reasons why I wanted to buy Shadows in the first place. Because I saw, like, the parkour, and I was like, this kind of reminds me of Unity. It's not, but... A man can dream. But then again, what happened to the last person that dreamed? Can I just play as Noe in Shadows? Been wanting AC Japan for so freaking... I think you can. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello. Oh, get up here.
Did you see which way he went?
Oh. Speaking of Dream, imagine Unity's flowered parkour system in AC1 Remaster. If they ever do remaster, I don't think they would ever fucking do an AC1 remaster. Considering they're so fucking, like, busy doing literally every other fucking game. Just not gonna do it. Can I? It showed me how to do this, but like... Yes, this is the way. That's a violent swing. It is. I was really... I think that's only, like... It only happens in this fucking, like, remaster. Remaster in quotation marks, by the way. Yeah, they're not like. They're not gonna fucking remaster like AC1. They'll fucking remaster like Odyssey or they'll remaster Odyssey or fucking Origins quicker than fucking 1, dude.
Use Eccolo! There! There!
If I ever started in chat, just know I accidentally sent my message to it. No, you're good. Listen, I take it as like a bit where I was just like, don't worry. I get it. No! Brother. What am I meant to do here? Oh, am I meant to like jump? It's not what my therapist said to tell me to do, but yeah, unfortunately, like we're quickly like we're gonna get a remaster of the newer games more than the fucking like older games. I think I've said this before. I would love an AC1 remaster. You telling me to jump? Oh.
So kill me then. At least I will have my honor, unlike the son of a pig farmer standing in front of me.
Thanks for the shortcut, guy.
He should have kept an eye on his men. Trying to break into the treasury is a serious offense.
We needed him to build the ships. Now I'll have to go find another shipbuilder. Next time, inform the watch when you question an intruder instead of dealing with it yourself. Asino. Cazzo! Assassino!
Oh my fucking god. Thanks, man. Should listen to your therapist. I did. I mean, I didn't jump. They told me not to jump, so I didn't. Is this not the way? This is not the way. Do you know the way? No. No, I do not know the way. One thing that's always confusing about, like, especially like Assassin's Creed 2. Assassin's Creed 2 is like the bigger culprit of that. Like in these like specific ones, in these like quests, it always confuses me as to where the fuck I'm meant to go. I know it's like meant to like it's giving indication of like, oh yeah, you're meant to go here, you're meant to go do this. They kind of just like show it to you once. Or just never. Seat jank. Oh, hold on. Let me pretend like I'm chasing the fucking Templar again. But then it's the whole like fucking like yellow paint situation in this. It's like, would Assassin's Creed benefit from like a yellow paint to like help people where to go? Actually, no. I genuinely think it will make it worse. There's like specific games that just should not have yellow paint to help where you're going. I could just go in. I'll go in. Any chests here? Nope. But yeah, it's a whole conversation. Games used to be so much harder. Okay, but like games, there was points in time in which you genuinely had to look up a tutorial of how to do like one specific fucking quest because you didn't know where the fuck to go. And I'm not even lying, I did this multiple times. I did this like yesterday. I did it yesterday because I was doing the the fucking flying machine one in this stupid fucking game. And whatever fucking way I went, it just didn't fucking do it. Like, I just died constantly. So I genuinely had to look up which way was the best to go, and yeah. Shout out to people who fucking make YouTube tutorials still. Shout out to people who make YouTube tutorials just full stop, man. You saved my life. Genuinely what I would do without you, man. I don't know. Trying to recollect this, because like, yeah, with Assassin's, there was like, one of the Assassin tombs, one of them, and I mean like one of them, is probably one of the worst fucking contenders of like, yeah, this is how you're meant to do it, good luck, and they just show it to you once and never again. Maybe they give like context clues of like setting the camera up, being like, "You're meant to go this way."
I've fresh caught leeches today. Dear patrons, I've the best artists of the guild.
But it's genuinely like. Stupid. Yeah, no, like, yellow paint, I'm down. But in games that need it. In very specific games that need it. Some games don't need it. Some games do. Oh, piss off. Leave me alone. So one thing that fucking makes me angry. One thing that fucking pisses me off. The fucking bards in this game. I wish them a very slow and painful fucking string breaking. Those motherfuckers can... Yeah. Pretty sure if I look up Assassin's Creed 2 mods on PC, there's probably like a mod that removes them. Actually, let me double check. Horse, come here. Go. Yellow paint mod though. Oh, that'll be good. Let me check. Assassin's Creed 2 mods. I wonder if there is a Nexus page for it, but popular. A reshade remaster for the 20 because Ubisoft didn't release the Ezio Collection remastered on PC. Did they never? Huh? They didn't? What? Am I? Did it only release on like the newer Xbox ones? Huh? Assassin's Creed. Yes, you can install multiple fucking updates, Ubisoft. I don't give a shit. Oh my fucking god. I got food I need to pick up. I'll see you when I see you next. Okay, Crow, thank you much for stopping by. Take care of yourself and enjoy your food. Enjoy food. Oh, I have to fucking log in. What is my login? It's this one, right? That is genuinely surprising. Hold on. Games, Assassin's Creed. Yeah. There is the Ezio Auditore pack, which is just the Assassin's Creed 2 Brotherhood and Revelations, but that's just the not the even the kind of remastered pack. They just slap down the original games. Crazy. That's wild. AC2 Deluxe Edition Unlocker Definitive. Oh! Enhances Ezio's parkour mechanics, granting players extensive control and more comprehensive movement. Disable stumble, disable snap on NSO landing. Swing eject up, enables swinging, ejecting upward to reach higher NSOs. Swing and eject down, vault landing 4, vault short, free form. Interesting, okay. Reshade, visual fix up. Xbox controller button layouts. Push a camera. Yeah. This is more of there's more mods of basically just reshading, making it more contrast and stuff. It literally just boosts up the contrast on the games. And then some other things. Oh. That's actually crazy. Goddamn, I didn't know that. I genuinely didn't know that. I remember seeing the the Ezio collection that's meant to be remastered, and everyone was shitting on it because it was they fucking because of what the facial feature, some shit they just whoa some shit they just fucking turned up to 100. That was literally it. What does it matter anyway? Ubisoft is gonna fucking take away our fucking... is gonna strip away our right to fucking play the game in 2 years because... they're the fucking ones that advocate for the thing of you don't actually own the game, or you're actually just paying to play it. So, that was the first time I've ever seen, a horse fucking trip and fall. I hear a twinkle. Maybe I'm just schizophrenic at this point. I play too much Assassin's Creed, gamers. I'm going schizophrenic and I can hear the fucking twinkles. Why did he... What the fuck?
The man himself. Praise be to God you are here, amigo.
Gimme. Well, I'm gonna fucking go back to the villa. I think finish all the codex pages, question mark? No, I still need to go to Leonardo to... for him to decipher. Viewpoint. Horse. Horse. Whore. 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 And that also good. Thank you.
Raju! There! Which way did you go?
No! Eccolo! There! There!
Bro, that's gotta be fucking hot, man. What the fuck? Fucking touching those fucking metal grates with, like, a fire that's inside of them, brother, that's boiling. Your hand's gone. It's here. I can hear the twinkle. At least maybe I hear the twinkle. I don't fucking know.
You be He's here, bastard! I found him! Ah!
Jesus Christ. Mick Gray, welcome to the Slash Good Enough. Just love, I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for follow, appreciate it. Jesus Christ, that fucking scared me. Just haven't fucking like heard any notification full stop in a decent amount of time. Shit just fucking spooked me. Not this way. Bro, why are you stopping at like the most random random of times? Fucking.
I have never seen a strange.
Me too. Is a horse coming here? Brother, you're gonna sell me away. What are you doing? I do love that the horses are just loyal to you, like, even if you steal them. They're just like, yeah, cool, alright, let's go, dude. Going on an adventure? Yeah, that shit burning your hand, man. No chance. Like, no chance it doesn't. Speaking of notifications, I don't have a saying when someone raids into my channel, can I borrow ASL because it's too freaking good. Listen, I'm not going to lie. Sure. I'm not like, I'm not a fucking like a stickler for like rules or whatever. I didn't fucking create it. I never created age sex location. I'm not copywriting that shit. I mean, here's the thing, if you're gonna say it like me, make sure, yeah, you gotta pay your royalties, you gotta, you know, at least give me, like, I don't know, $5 or something. I'm gonna jump that. There's a fucking hail stack there. Of course you wouldn't. Why would you?
I'm sorry.
Leave me alone. Can I pay an art? Don't ever say no to art. 69, hell yeah, bro. Oh shit, I forgot. Ooh!
Do come again.
No one saw that.
A pleasure, sir. Come again.
I forgot there's like actual booze in the game, man. Don't they know I'm a fucking virgin? I don't want to see boobs. I'm gonna wait until marriage.
Come, amici! A fresh sheep's urine and rosemary
Leave me alone. Do not talk to me.
good citizen. In its wisdom, the minor count.
God, I know it's Leonardo, but like, seeing the fucking L and the way it fucking looks, just it just makes me think that I'm going to see Luigi, bro. Grab that. Shut up. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, we're good. So I found out like another big glitch about it in this game. When you like do a running assassination on the archers, if they're like on a slanted roof, the archer's body slides down and you slide down with them because you're still attached to the fucking body. Genuinely makes me so angry. It's so bad.
Leonardo. Ezio, so good to see you. How can
I mean, they did make a Mario reference. They did, yeah. Don't you recognize me? It's me, Mario.
I think this is
Uncle Mario.
If I just rewrite this line, and it works.
They're both Italian. I've never seen Leonardo and Luigi in the same room. Honestly, yeah. Do we have... Is that all the pages? Is that all the pages, or are we missing? I think we're missing, like, one. Oh, I genuinely think we might just be missing one. Cheap viewers on... Fuck off. Listen, every big streamer fucking buys views at this point anyway. Might as well at this point. Pretty sure, like, any management that fucking, like, what's it called? Any management that, like, owns, like, a big streamer or whatever, they just literally just buy the streamer views and then, like, buy so that they can chat on stream as well, and then, like, whoa, this guy's big! And then they get on, like, every news, and then they get... Streaming exposed?
You should feel better now, but take care in future.
Next time, I am sure.
Vouchers.
Excellent. Addio then. I may be expensive, but my goods.
Okay. I've already upgraded literally everything, so... Yeah, I need one more. That's so fucking annoying! So pissed. Probably gonna be like in the next fucking chapter or whatever. So I think we have still one place to go. Repair. Or more. Give me Altair sword. What's that?
Mention me to your amici. Come, don't be shy. Come, don't be shy.
80% of the stronghold's value. But do I have to buy like everything else as well? Probably. Venice. My monitors just decided, yeah, we're just gonna turn off for a quick second. Okay. Thanks a lot. I don't know if you could see, but like, I don't know if you could see, like the very, like bright light, and then it just goes to nothing. It's not great. No, it's not. You know what? At this point, I just don't want to fucking question anything anymore. The more I start to question things, the more it just gets fucking broken. And the more I'm gonna cry, ultimately. Whoa! 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 Did you see that? That was crazy, bro. Levitated to the fucking, like... God damn.
There you are.
Holy shit, that's a big guy.
I'd like to introduce you to an associate. This is Agostino Barbarigo, soon to be Doge of Venezia, thanks to you.
È un onore fare la vostra conoscenza, illustrissimo. I'm sorry for the loss of your brother.
He had it coming. He was bought and paid for by the Borgia. A mistake I have no intention of making.
Come, Ezio. We have much to discuss. We've located Silvio Barbarigo for you. He's fled into l'Arsenale.
Fled? You mean occupied, and joined by 200 mercenari, no less.
You're Doge now. Can't you command them to stand down?
The Committee of 41 has yet to confirm my ascension. And this little stunt of Silvio's has only made things worse. He has an entire army at his command.
Then help me.
Bro is literally Kingpin. Like, bro is fucking Kingpin from like fucking what's it from Across the Spider-Verse, or like
He resides within the military district.
Into the Spider-Verse.
Va bene. I'll go and see him.
Bro's literally built like him. Assassination contracts unlocked. I do not give a flying fuck. That's one thing I don't really want to fucking do right now. Like the main thing is not gonna give me like armor or whatever. I'll do. Anything else? New. Thank you. See this shit when Ezio pulls this off, genuinely feels satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. It just makes me fucking bust. Any other stunt that Ezio pulls? No. Bella. Run. Thank you.
Has he been drinking? Nothing here for you.
Leave me alone. Akira. And a shop turn.
I mean you no harm. Quite the opposite, in fact, amigo.
Please. Help.
Who said that?
Help.
How's this guy?
Please.
You must be one of Bartolomeo's men. What's happened here? Where is he?
Silvio's thugs attacked, took him deeper into the district. North of here.
Damn.
Requiescat in pace.
Requiescat in pace. Requiescat in pace. I love playing Assassin's Creed 2 because that means I learned fucking Italian. Shut up. I thought that was a pasta. You said it, not me. I love my spaghetti with Requiescat in pace.
Bring him back.
Ooh, feather.
Only release, and I'll gladly demonstrate! Miserabili pezzi di merda! Get out of my sight! Order! You have no honor, no valor, no virtue! And people wonder why it is Venezia's star has begun to fade. I'll show mercy to whoever here has the courage to release this here! All the rest of you, we're going to die! By my hand, I swear it! What sort of man sells his honor and dignity for a bit of coin? Realize you are in service to a traitor and a coward! About goddamn time! I don't know if I should kiss you or slap you. Maybe both, just to be safe.
That's quite all right.
Who are you?
I'm Ezio Auditore da Firenze. I'm here to rescue you.
Let's see who winds up rescuing who.
What do you mean?
Down there! Stop them! Find me a place to put my fist in! Draw! Let's see what you can do!
Let's do it. We should go.
Agreed. There are still more heads to be smashed.
Perhaps we should try and avoid conflict.
Why? Are you afraid?
No, just practical. Given that they outnumber us 100 to 1.
Bro is me.
Bella mia. Watch for the large one. Dante is called. Most of Silvio's men are useless, but that one's trouble.
Bro is literally me.
Sweet freedom. How I have missed you.
Brother, didn't you get locked up
Silvio
for like
sent
2
his men
seconds?
to ransacking your place. Prepare yourself for a fight.
No need. What fun this? What fun this will be! Come, let's see what you can do. Finally,
Hello?
what fun this Don't overextend yourself.
Why can I not disarm anymore? What's that about?
Follow my lead.
If you value your life, you'll stand down. Never! What good is a man's life if it's not lived free, eh? I'll not go back into a cage. Then you'll go into the ground. Kill them.
You sure?
Segui. What a mess they've made. Bianca. I hope she is unharmed.
Oh yeah, I think I remember this. As like, Bianca's like, you'll see.
Bianca! Bianca!
Is everything all right?
What do you think? Look at this place.
And poor Bianca. If something's happened to her.
Yeah.
Oh, my darling.
There she is.
Thank God you're all right. Ezio, meet Bianca. Bianca, Ezio.
Charmed.
So, I know your name, but not why you're here.
I have business with Silvio Barbarigo. I was told you could help.
Ah, it would be my honor.
But it's going to require more than just the two. 3 of us to weaken his forces. How do you suggest we proceed?
I'll go and ready my men for battle. While I do this, I'd like you to rescue those who were captured during Silvio's assault. I cannot, in good conscience, leave them behind.
Intesi. I will attend to it at once.
Good luck out there, Ezio.
I don't need luck, brother. I hope Bianca's alright. Bianca's good. I resonate heavily with this fucking guy. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I've talked about this before, maybe not. Like, any kind of character that is like, kind of like a barbarian fighter or whatever the fuck. That's just me. That is like, names a fucking weapon.
What to do with this?
Now I can disarm. Finally, what the fuck?
Many thanks for the aid, friend. We'd like to fight with you, if you'll have us.
Qui, let's do it.
Was your hand holding a sword? I don't think it was. I was on the like fist. I was on the fisticuffs thing, and it just like it told me I could punch, and I was holding like my RT to like, obviously like try to disarm as well, but it just didn't work for some reason. Just now it works. I guess Ezio just really didn't want to disarm the people in front of. That one of them's dead. Oh, that guy's in a position. Excuse me.
We are with you, friend. Only lead the way.
Stay close.
What's got your riches in the back?
Come, don't be shy.
Oh, really? Ti faccio un culo così. Ti faccio un culo così. Here, stop!
Excuse me, guys. I need to quickly look this chest. Thank you. Let's go. My fucking controller battery's low. Good thing I have the charger nearby. Good job, team.
You're not alone, brother.
Bro really jumped down and he's like, oh no, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Just join you. Together we will crush the Barbarigo.
You.
Please, amico.
Salute, Ezio. Welcome back. And well done. My host is restored to its former glory. Now Silvio will see just how grave a mistake he's made.
How should we proceed? A direct assault against the Arsenale?
No, we'd be massacred at the gates. I have something else in mind. Take my men and plant them throughout the district. The trouble they cause will force Silvio to dispatch most of his guards.
And with the Arsenale drained of mercenaries, I can move in for the kill.
Esatto. You'll be virtually unopposed.
Let's hope he takes the bait.
Oh, don't worry. He will.
Okay, assume the position. Escort the mercenaries. Okay, guys, let's go. Squad, roll out. Really?
Maybe I'll let you live. Maybe not. Maybe I'll let
Fall in.
Dannazione, too hot for me.
Run! Run! We're chasing after you. Run! Focus on me, bitch. Not what I wanted. Pick up the weapon, thank you.
Andiamo. Wait here for my signal.
As you wish.
Let's go.
I wish it could just be me.
Please, accept my apologies, good sir.
Laggiù, get him, there! Adesso va! Tirseli con lesso nel mare! Adesso va, dai! Tirseli con lesso nel mare! Madre santa! Tanto lì! Who's your police, Ronzo?
All right, this way.
Nice. Nice.
Hold your ground here.
Consider it done.
Follow my lead.
Another one.
Does something ail you, friend? There he is! Laggiù! Maybe not. There he is! Laggiù!
Qui, let's do it.
Nice.
Here, this is where you'll wait.
Send word when it's time to strike.
Bug.
Another satisfied client. Ciao.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the start of the mission and I'm gonna go piss. Because I'm in dire need of a piss. Huge need of peace. Ooh, 3 chests. Don't mind if I do. As if I need any more money. considering I have nearly 30k in the fucking villa chest.
Sure. Almost looks real.
Okay. I'm gonna quickly bear back. I'm gonna go piss. I'm gonna go pee pee. I'm back. Bro, you know how you know how like when we were kids, we used to like, you know, open our eyes up like just a little bit to see if like our parents are like still there, and we're like trying to pretend to sleep, and then like the parent just like looks at you and you quickly close your eyes. Yeah, that's what I just had an experience with Nugget about that. He fucking bro just opened his eyes and just fucking quickly closed them. What a guy.
Ah, there you are. Is it done?
Yes, all your men are in place.
Bene, bene. Take this. I assume you know how it works. Find the highest point you can in the district, and fire it from there. This signals my men to begin the attack.
All right then. I will see you on the battlefield.
That you will.
Okay. Can't reach that. Damn. Brother, climb the fucking cross. Ugh. Whoa, he's like floating, goddamn. Hello?
Bartolomeo needs my help. Let's go.
Let's go.
Must return to l'Arsenale.
Salute, Ezio!
Care for some company?
By all means!
After him!
Let's go.
A fine specimen, isn't he? You should be honored to die by his hand.
Scusami, Julio! Damona! Porca puttana! Come on! We need to stop that grassone bastard!
But you're too late! There's nothing you can do to prevent her from obtaining you! That's right! You still don't know, do you? You're unstanding blood! It won't matter anymore! Enough of this! We're out of time! Return to me! We must depart!
Ezio, go now! That brute will no doubt lead you straight to his master. My men and I will remain here.
What the fuck is that guy doing? Hello?
Hurry! They're going to leave without us!
Damn, alright. Unlucky. Unlucky.
What's happened here? Why the boats? I thought you sowed the Doge seed.
Just a distraction. We were meant to sail.
Sail where?
I'll never tell. Cyprus is their destination. They want...
Non temete l'oscurità. Accettate il suo abbraccio. Requiescant in pace.
Well done,
All right.
Ezio. Silvio is defeated, and the military district is returned to us. Perhaps now Venezia might finally enjoy a bit of pace e tranquillità. We should celebrate this victory!
I am glad for you and your men, Bartolomeo. But I cannot join. I fear my work has just taken a rather strange turn.
What do you mean?
Silvio wasn't looking to replace Marco as Doge. He was about to leave Venezia, in fact. This whole thing was just a distraction.
Why?
That is what I need to find out.
There we go. Sequence done. Sequence 10 done. $14.88. Ooh, that's the bad number. That's a really bad number.
There you are, Ezio. Why so serious?
It's my birthday.
Joker.
Davvero? 100 di questi giorni. That's wonderful.
Is it? It's been over 10 years since I watched my father and brothers die. 10 years hunting the men responsible.
10 years?
Close to the end now, but no closer to understanding what any of it was for.
You may not see it, Ezio, but it's better here now because of the things you've done. Basta. Look here. I have a birthday present for you.
It's L'Arsenal's shipping manifest. From the day the boat left.
The boat to Cyprus. You're serious?
And guess when it's scheduled to return? Tomorrow.
Ezio,
Leonardo, when did you get back?
just now. I need to talk to you, right away.
Go on. Have fun, boys.
It's better be good.
Oh, it is. It is. Walk with me. Stay close.
Okay.
These last 2 codex pages. I was studying the copies. I don't know why I never saw it before. But when put together, I realized the markings on the back clarify into words. Here. The prophet will appear when the second piece is brought to the floating city.
Prophet. Only the prophet may open it. 2 pieces of Eden.
What are you saying? Ezio, what is this?
We've known each other a long time, Leonardo. If I can't trust you, there is nobody. My uncle Mario spoke of it long ago. A prophecy hidden in the Codex, leading to an ancient vault that holds something very powerful.
Grandioso. But if you took these pages from the Barbarigo, then maybe they know about this vault too. That's not good.
Wait. What if that's why they sent the ship to Cyprus? To find this piece of Eden and bring it back to Venezia.
When the second piece is brought to the floating city,
the prophet will appear. Only the prophet can open the vault. My God! When my uncle told me about the Codex, I was too young, too brash to imagine it was anything but an old man's fantasy. But now I see. The killing of Mocenigo, even the Medici, my father and brothers. It was all part of his plan. To find the vault. The Spaniard.
Oh.
Rodrigo Borgia.
The boat from Cyprus arrives tomorrow. I plan to be there to meet it.
Good luck, my friend.
My question is, where the fuck is the last codex page? Did I, like, miss it in, like, some place? Fucking hope not. It's not really what I wanted to do, but okay.
By decree of the Council of Ten, all cittadini wishing to enlarge their storyteller must first seek planning.
Raju, stop him!
Shut up.
And its like are to be avoided, and violators will be punished.
Please let the last codex page be like here. Please, I beg you. It is! Holy.
You are but a pezzo di merda. Don't bastardo! Now, go! Training.
Let's go. 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 That's it. What a weird place to have a chest, by the way.
What's
Do you require a medical assistant?
Nice moves.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
good citizens? In its wisdom, the Minor Council has approved the reopening of trade links with the coastal cities of the Barbary Coast. A new agreement has been signed with the Bay to ensure your safety.
How close am I to finishing this game? Like, I'm guessing pretty close considering, like... I've got, like, pretty much the endgame shit.
Come forward.
Don't be up here. Leave.
Isn't that illegal?
What sequence am I on now? Good question. 11? I think? I think this is 11.
Following the recent festival fire in San Polo, the Doge has decreed that the
I just need to, like...
Bring me your sick and wounded.
Bless you. Basically, the next mission is me waiting for the ship from Cyprus to come back. And then last but not least, over this way. I can see it. Literally, I can see the fucking thing that I need to climb. God, I love the fact that, like, the synchronization points are just, like, fucking the big fuck-up fucking buildings.
It's a curious way to get about.
The fuck? Your mother. I was gonna say, ain't no way he's gonna fucking, like, shoot me now. Okay, be careful. There we go. Let's go to Luigi himself. Get the last codex page done. And then continue? Question mark. Screw.
The Republic extends sympathy to the families of the group. Has caused some structural damage. Please be careful near work site. Report. Right there. Whoa, eyes front. Go away, man.
Hello?
Leonardo. Ezio, so good to see you. How can I help you? Haha! You found another one! How exciting! I see. If I just rearrange these letters... Here, it's done.
Cool. Alright. Let's go to... God, it's running smoothly on my end. Alright. Let's go to the villa. Let's go to the villa. Get the last codec page in. Pardon me. There we go. Is everything right? Yeah, everything's right. Yeah.
I'll just count it again.
No. My Ezio armor. I mean, my fucking Altair armor. No. Give me back. Give me back my armor, please. I'm no one without it. Thank you. Am I am I meant to do something with the fucking codex wall? Or is it like because I don't think I've ever actually like collected all the codex pages. I could be wrong though. Alright, fucking getting 100% of fucking the villa's value is collecting 100 feathers. Not today. Not today, video game. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'll happily stay at fucking 80%. What am I saying? Oh, not? Oh, it's... Okay, well... Can I... You know, I'm just gonna do this. Instead of, like... instead of walking there, I'll just fucking... I'll just go there. No. Venice... Go to the castello.
I'm a friend. There is no need for this.
You know, considering it's probably going to take the same amount of time to actually get there.
What now? Stop, straniero! This is not to eat the fish from the city's canal. Extending the water.
Peasants are not allowed.
Shut up.
Mario?
Pizza me. Okay.
It is the appointed one, the savior of the stream. All who dare to cross his path will risk in the full retreat.
Warning! All travelers arriving from the lower Dalmatian coast should be examined by a maestro following reports of a recent outbreak. Another cycle to adorn their chapel, and has asked that interested party to submit application. As your Carpaccio is no longer available.
Oh my god, please, Ezio.
You know what we do to Capo?
A great metal work here.
Where are we going, pal?
Life expectancy? I should have let God bless you to a post instead of you to
Brother.
the inch of your life.
The bounty of one ducat for hundred shall be offered as recompense for the truly industrious.
Well, aren't you a funny man?
Looks rather risky, really.
Holy shit, a witch doctor without a mask? That's crazy.
I've traditional rib. The maestro awaits. He will not suffer mistakes. Package it correctly. Do it now.
The Spaniards here? That changes things. If I can infiltrate this group, take the place of the courier, they'll lead me right to the Figlio di Puttana.
Got you! He's there, on him!
So I'm meant to go there undetected? No. Oh my god. No, this is gonna be one of those. One of those.
Something ails you, friend?
Well, I don't like the look.
Merda, he's getting away! Captain Ramos! I see him! There!
Okay, you know what? Dirty tactics. Ladies.
I'll bet you know how to man stand.
Ciao, bello.
Hey, stranger, stop!
Okay. I was literally just overcomplicating things.
Yes, sir. This is a moment of great importance. Stay in formation. Make this right.
I genuinely do not remember this whatsoever.
Salute, come sta?
Bertuccios of San Paolo. Warning! All travelers arriving from the lower Dalmatian coast should be examined by a maestro. Following reports of a recent outbreak of plague.
Do you really have it? You were not followed.
Absolutely. Everything went perfectly. We have followed your orders exactly as specified. The mission to Cyprus was more difficult than expected. There were complications, but we have returned with the artifact and have carefully transported it to you as instructed. We look forward to being generously compensated, as I'm sure you have...
Ezio. It's been some time. No. Leave him to me.
Rodrigo. So, where is he?
Who?
Your prophet. Doesn't look like anybody showed up, Rodrigo. How many people have died for these? For what's in this box? And look, there's nobody here.
You claim not to be a believer, and yet here you are. Don't you see him? The prophet is already here. I am the prophet. Now give me the apple.
Come and take it from me.
That's not how I remember the last boss fight.
Is this all you have? Where is the rest of your people?
What people?
You really have no idea, do you? Guards!
Whatever you're training, man.
Pazienza! You'll have to take risks. Strike dead. Right, ora! Let's test this. Right, ora! You'll have to take risks. Strike dead.
Mm-hmm.
Uncle!
Don't worry, Nipote. You are not alone.
Olpe? What are you doing here?
We could very well ask you the same thing.
We?
Save your questions, brother. Don't let Bodja leave that box.
Avanti!
You all shall die.
I genuinely do not remember this. What is this?
This is pathetic. You cannot stop what is written. What lies in the vault shall be mine.
Look, my friend, our Ashes become twice again now.
This is a losing battle for you, Hombrecito. You will die by my hand, just like your father. This war has been going on far longer than either of us anticipated.
You've improved since the last time we fought together.
Brother, there's 5 against 1.
Bravissimo! We should do this more often.
This is for my father. Paula.
He's gone, but we have what we can.
No. I need to go after him.
Do you really now? Or are you here for another reason, my son?
Theodora. What? What are you all doing here?
Perhaps the same thing you are, Ezio. Hoping to see the Prophet.
Who the fuck are you?
I came here to kill the Spaniard. I couldn't care less about your prophet. He never showed up.
No? But you did.
What?
A prophet's arrival was foretold. And unbeknownst to us, here you are. Perhaps all along, you were the one we sought.
Cosa? Who are you?
Niccolo di Bernardo de Machiavelli. I am an assassin, trained in the ancient ways to safeguard mankind's evolution. Just like you, and each one of us here.
You are all assassins? Paula. Volpe.
It's true, Nipote. We have all been guiding you for years, teaching you the skills you would need to join our ranks. I think it's time.
We have our prize, but there is much to be done. Come, meet us here at sunset.
I genuinely do not remember anything from this. What the fuck?
La Shea Waka Umutlak Bel Kulun Munkin. These are the words spoken by our ancestors that lay at the heart of our creed.
Where other men blindly follow the truth, remember.
Nothing is true.
Where other men are limited by morality or law, remember.
Everything is permitted.
We work in the dark to serve the light. We are assassins.
Nothing is true.
Everything is permitted.
It is time, Ezio. In this modern age, we are not so literal as our ancestors, but our seal is no less permanent. Are you ready to join us?
I am.
This only hurts for a while, brother. Like so many things.
Benvenuto, Ezio. You are one of us now. Come, we have much to do.
Look at that mole jump. Whee! No, we didn't see the we didn't see the fucking the woman jump. You fucking afraid, punk? Oh.
Are you okay? Do you want to stop?
No, I need to go back. Right now.
Oh dear.
Sean?
Of course. How could I have forgotten?
You want to share with the rest of us?
Rodrigo Borgia is elected Pope in 1492, which means Ezio's greatest enemy is now also the most powerful man in Italy.
Always wanted to visit the Vatican.
Well, your luck's in, Desmond. Happy days. Because that's exactly where you're going.
Fascinating. Absolutely fascinating.
What is he, Leonardo? What does he do?
I could no more explain this than explain to you why the Earth goes around the Sun.
You mean the sun around the Earth?
It's fabricated with materials that shouldn't exist. And yet, this is clearly a very ancient artifact.
The Codex refers to it as a piece of Eden.
The Spaniard. He called it the apple.
Like Eve's apple, of forbidden knowledge. Are you then suggesting that this thing... This must never fall into the wrong hands. It would drive weaker minds insane.
No doubt the Spaniard will be relentless in his desire to gain it back.
Ezio, you must protect this with all the skills we have taught you.
Take it to Forli. The citadel is walled, protected by cannons, and our ally controls it.
Who is this ally?
Her name is Caterina Sforza.
You don't say. I think I may enjoy this mission. Thank you for everything, my oldest friend.
Leonardo, Ezio tells me you travel off into Milano. I have a grand villa in Toscana. You must come visit me there.
I don't remember anything anymore. Oh, that person's skin just stretched like hell. Special memory. Let's see this special memory. What? Huh? Excuse me? What the fuck is this? Why is this a special memory? Why am I... What am I... What? Why? What? Why? Is this what happens when I collect all the fucking pages?
Well, well. Look who it is.
Madonna.
I thought when we met you were a bit special, but an assassin. Walk with me, Caro. You're going to love Forli. The cannons in Architadella alone go back 100 years. The artifact will be quite safe there.
Forgive me, but I've never heard of a woman ruling her own city before. It's very impressive.
Well, it was my husband's before, of course. He died.
Oh. Sorry.
Don't be. I had him killed.
Oh.
We discovered Girolamo Riario was working for the Templars, making a map of the locations of the remaining Codex pages.
I never liked that goddamn son of a bitch anyway. He was a lousy father. Boring in bed, and a pain in my ass.
Look!
Oh no.
I want no part of this.
What is going on?
Misericordia! No, please, don't kill me!
Aspetta. What's happening?
They came as soon as you left the city walls, Signora. The city is under attack.
What? By who?
The Orsi brothers, Signora.
Oh, sangue di Giuda.
Who are the Orsi?
The same canaglia I hired to kill my husband.
It's the Spaniard, of course. The Orsi have no worldview bigger than their purse.
But how could he know where we were taking the apple before we even knew?
Because they're not here for the apple, Ezio. They're after Riario's map.
Basta with your map, Nicolo. My children are inside. Oh, porco demonio.
Let's go. I'm sorry, Katarina.
They're already inside. Double-crossing bastards.
Is there another way into this place?
Aspetta. Perhaps yes. There's an old tunnel under the western wall from the canal.
Bene. I'll be right back.
Hey, you! Yeah, I'm talking to you. You spineless dogs. You occupy my city, my home. You think I'm going to stand here and do nothing about it? How about I come up there and rip your ballet off?
Get him! There!
What am I doing? Assassino. Yeah, I'm floating. Let's go.
Lurido branco di cani bastardi! Tornatevene a casa se non volete finire impallati sulla mura della mia cittadella! Ah, ma forse è per questo che non ti decidete a uscire. Già, scommetto che lo gradireste assai un bel palo di quercia su per il culo. Sangue di Dio! Ma dove vi hanno pescato? In un convento di monache? Non ho mai visto in vita mia una cozzaglia di codardi peggio assortita di voi. Che vista penosa! Dopo che vi avrò fatto mostrare, non sarete meno uomini di quanto siete ora?
Am I like... What the fuck? Okay. I'm gonna... Leave my future wife alone. The fuck? The fuck is Machiavelli doing? I swear, if one of them's gonna die now, I'm gonna be upset.
Now, you can escape.
You won't survive, no matter what.
Go!
Aprite la porta! Aprite la porta, presto!
It's an ambush!
No.
Anyone know what happened?
Fucking Altair sword is so fucking busted. Jesus Christ.
Anyone see the bastard?
Ezio, Piccolo, in here! Bambini! But where are Bianca and Ottaviano?
Forgive me, Signora. They were playing outside when the attack began. I don't know where they are.
Reinforcements from the mountains! They are breaching the citadel!
Ezio, don't let those bastardi get in here!
With me!
Hmm. Ah, come on.
Where? Now, move! He's losing it. There, get him!
There we go. Holy shit. Holy. No? No grabbing? Okay. You chose the fucking most awful spot. Please, let me fucking get up.
The last man I put in the hole was eaten by rats. All we found the week after was a finger. Try to stay out of trouble, yes?
What?
What an imbecile. So, you were mentioning your Zio's ruined harvest. I sympathize. Hating July was brutal. Wiped out that Trevian.
Oh my god, please.
Katerina! Katerina Sforza! I know you're in there. I have something you may want back. Are you missing any children? And Ezio Auditore. What a pleasant surprise.
I take it you would be the Orsi brothers.
Ludovico and Gecko at your service.
Basta! Where are my children? Let them go!
Of course, Signora. We'll happily give them back for something of yours. A certain map and a certain apple, brother. See, a certain apple indeed. Or shall I slice your baby's necks ear to ear?
Bastardi! You think you can threaten me? I'll give you nothing! You want my children? Take them! I have the instrument to make more!
When you change your mind, they'll be in the village outside the city. You have 1 hour.
Did I come back at the right time? Define right time. Right time for what?
Katerina, no. I can't ask you to sacrifice your children.
Nobody's sacrificing anything. Go get them back for me, Ezio.
See, you have my word. The apple needs to remain in the citadel. Keep this safe.
When do they cut smokes like that? Milano.
The Endish? To be honest, I'm gonna be real with you. I fucking have no idea. Like, actually zero clue.
Due to unfortunate misuse of funds by the sins executed for Lorettore, the annual fee...
I think we are getting close. I just don't know how close we are. I'll definitely finish the game off stream though. Like once I finish the stream. That should be it.
That's a funny get-up.
Man!
Just let me go! I'm nobody!
Is this all the men you have to hold me? It won't be enough. My mama is clear. We Sforza women are no wilting flowers. You may look pretty to the eye, but the eyes deceive. Just ask Babbo. I hope you don't really imagine I'm scared. My mama would never let you hurt me. If you touch one hair on my little brother's head, she will hunt you down and eat you for breakfast. He don't. This is absurd, you know. You'll never survive this. I'll be home in an hour. Grazie, grazie, messere. But my brother, they're holding Ottaviano at the lighthouse.
Whatever this is about, leave me out of it, please! That would be
There he is! Hurry! Lee, you want to see your boy walk again, Katerina? Give us what we want, or I'll throw him off the edge. Sit down, Marmocchio! There he is! Lajou! He's losing us! Faster! There he is! Show yourself! The apple on the map, or your keep that cripple!
Oh my god. Oh, you know what? Fuck you. Well, I'm pretty sure I can just grab. No, I can't grab you. I can grab you though.
No!
Stay calm. Remember your training. Remember your training.
Hit him from behind! You want to see your boy walk again, Katerina? Give us what we want, or I'll throw him off the edge. Show yourself! The apple on the map, or your kid's a cripple!
Now, go! Wait for a sleep.
Piss off.
Stop acting like a baby! Where are your balls?
Brother, you are where are your balls? Stop acting like a baby. What, brother? He is a kid. The fuck do you mean?
Basta, you're giving me a headache! This is your last chance, Katerina! The apple now! For his legs!
Release me.
Ora!
Bro, telling a kid to that he's acting like a kid. Okay. Good job. Focus found in the kitchen.
Or are you the fool, dying for a handful of change? Was it worth it?
More than you know. The maestro gains his prize because of me.
Muori col tuo orgoglio. Per quanto vale. Requiescat in pace.
Go to the toilet. I know that's what you want to do.
Grazie, signore.
Okay, well, we're gonna finish the stream here because we are going close to like 4 hours, and I feel like if I'm gonna continue, I'm just gonna like fucking not stop. But yeah, we're gonna finish the stream here. It's weird. It's been a good time. I'm glad that I got to like fucking just play this shit. I do love Assassin's Creed. So the fact that I just played it on stream makes me very happy for the pure reason that it's just nice to turn off my brain and potentially just, you know, free run around, up and down, all around. Anyway, we're gonna finish the stream here. Oh god. Yeah, we're gonna finish the stream here. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Yeah. Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. I genuinely don't. Maybe we need a Sunday vibe day. We need to like relax or something. We need to chill. So we'll see. Anyway, it's gonna be it for me for today. I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself.